Hi folks, I will tell you some tips about resume writing. Remember, it's not a Rashad presentation. Number 1. Spell check your document. Make sure that punctuation, grammar, and spelling are error-free. Number 2. Include a customized cover letter with your resume. A cover letter is your chance to express why you believe you are the best person for the job. You may also use this format to effectively communicate your professional disposition. Remember to address your cover letter to the employer/manager and include the company name as well. Number 3. Include action words. Action words are terms that describe your job functions such as achieved, acquired, addressed, analyzed, centralized, coordinated, created, demonstrated, designed, eliminated, enforced, implemented, improved, maintained, managed, organized, oversaw, performed, reorganized, reviewed, selected, supervised, surveyed, trained. Number 4. Avoid using paragraphs or long sentences. The bullet style, use of an action word followed by an account of the action you performed, enables you to include a lot of information about your work-related duties, responsibilities and achievements in as condensed a form as possible. Number 5. If posting your resume online, it is generally advisable to do the following. Left, justify the entire document. Use a standard font, size 10-14 only. Avoid boldface, underlined or italicized print. Avoid parentheses, graphics, shading, tabs and hard returns. Thanks for watching this movie. Remember, it is not a Rashad presentation.